Good afternoon, students. Today we are in chapter number 10, that is fractions. What is fraction, students? Fractions, in the sense, we are going to share the things, we are going to divide the things equally. Okay. For example, in your home also, when you and your brother, your sister fight for some food items, या फिर for some objects, you will ask your mothers to you will ask your mother to divide it equally, correct na? Yes. So here also we are going to learn in the fraction that how we are supposed to divide it equally. Okay, see the first one, the meaning of fractions, reading and writing fractions, how we can write it properly, how we have to read it, observe it, and according to that we have to write it in a fraction way. Now see the first one, half. Here we are going to learn the concept that is half. So this is the whole bakri, that is the full one, and when we will divide it into two half, see one line, there is one line in between, so it has become, this is 1 and this is 2, so it is divided into 2. So one bakri has to be divided equally between two people. What we will do, we will make it into half by, correct now? So the one person will get the one part and the other person will get the other part. Yes. So when any object is divided into two equal parts, then each of the part is one half of the other object. Now see, this is the one part. So when we have divided into half, this is the one part and this is the other part. Correct? So this is written as in the form of 1 upon 2. This is called as a fraction form. When we write upon, that is 1 upon, see, 1 upon 2. So this is called as, we are writing in a fraction form. How? See, we have divided into two part, correct? So 2 part dash, so 1 part plus the other part, correct? Total part is 2. We are divided into 2, so this is one part and this is the other part. Now when we will write 1 upon 2, this is called as a half. This is called as a half. Okay. Now this is quarters. Now how we can divide the things into quarters? Now quarters means in a circle, this is a whole bakri. Okay. Now we are going to divide it into quarters. So first we have divided into half, then again half se bhi half. Half se bhi half, it has become into 4 quarter. This is 1 quarter, this is 2 quarter, this is 3 quarter, this is 4 quarter. Correct? 4 quarter. So now see, this is 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4. Total how many quarters we are having? Total we are having 4 quarters, correct? From that 4 quarter, we are going to divide it into 4 times. That is 1 quarter, then again the other quarter, then again the other quarter. This has become 3 quarter, then again the other quarter. So 4 quarters. Okay. Now when any object is divided into 4 equal parts, each of these parts is a quarter of the whole. एक पूरा whole का quarter है, correct? एक quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter, 4 quarter. So 1 quarter is shown by the fraction. कैसे लिखेंगे fraction के form में? 1 upon 4. We will write it in the fraction of 1 upon 4. Abhi, numbers such as 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4 are called fractions. Correct now? Already we have learned in half में 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 4, they are called as a fraction. In a fraction, the number written above the line, लाइन के ऊपर जो नंबर है that is numerator, and लाइन के नीचे जो नंबर है that is denominator. I will show you one more example. Now see, this is 1 upon 4. A line के ऊपर, above the line, this is called as numerator, and below the line के नीचे, this is called as denominator. What students? Denominator. Line के ऊपर numerator, this line के नीचे, that is below the line, it is denominator. Okay. Now numerator and number line is called as in the fraction 1/2 the numerator is 1. 1/2 में numerator क्या है 1 and denominator is 2. 1/2 is also read as 1/2. करेक्ट ना. 1/2 को अपन और क्या बोलते हैं 1/2. एक तो हाफ भी बोलेंगे दैट इज 1/2 और 1/2 वी कैन से इन एनी वे. ओके दिस इज 1/2 ऑल्सो वी कैन से या फिर 1/2 वी कैन से इन एनी वे. ओके नाउ 1/4 को कैसे बोलेंगे देन. 1/4 को 1/4 we can say it as 1/4 a 1/4 या फिर 1/4 और 1/4. Understood? Yes students. Now see half. How we will get the half when the things are divided into equally into two part. जब 2 पार्ट में करेंगे इट बिकम्स हाफ. दिस इज न्यूमरेटर दिस इज डिनोमिनेटर करेक्ट. एंड 1/2 इज ऑल्सो कैन बी रेड एज हाफ 1/2 या फिर 1/2 और 1/4 दिस इज द क्वार्टर. दिस इज 1 इज द न्यूमरेटर 4 is the denominator. We can say it 1/4 as a 1/4 या फिर 1/4. Yes students. Yes, now we will go to the next page. Page number 52. Okay, now here it is 3/4. How we can divide the things into 3/4? How we can divide the things equally into 3/4? Yes, is it possible? No. So we are supposed to divide into 4 quarter. 4 बार करना चाहिए एज अ क्वार्टर में 4 बार डिवाइड करके 3 पार्ट्स को एक सेपरेट और 1 पार्ट को एक सेपरेट कर देंगे. ओके सो दिस विल बिकम एज अ 3/4 एंड द 1 विल बी सेपरेट. ओके नाउ when an object is divided into 4 equal parts, 3 of its parts taken together are called 3/4. This is shown by 3/4. Total तो 4 quarter only we have done. Correct ना. 4 quarter only. 1 2 3 4. तो we will write it as a 4 down on denominator 4 only. But we will take it as a 3/4. 3 quarter को ही निकालेंगे. So 3/4. Okay. So 3/4. अभी 3/4 में 3 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. करेक्ट. अभी 3/4 को और एक कैसे स्पेल कर सकेंगे अपन. 3/4 इज रेड एज 3/4 और 3/4 वी कैन स्पेल इट एज एक तो 3/4 और 3/4. Yes, we have done half. Whole we have seen, half we have seen, quarters we have seen, 3/4 we have seen. Correct? Yes students, understood? Now here the next here is some more fraction. और भी कुछ different types of fraction है. How? Here a circular disc is divided. See this disc is divided into 5 equal parts. 5 गुना उस 5 times equal किया गया है. एंड 3 of its are colored. उसमें से 3 पार्ट्स को कलर किया गया है. द कलर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द डिस्क इज 3/5. वाई 3/5? क्योंकि टोटल कितना लाइन है, टोटल कितना पार्ट्स है वहाँ पर, टोटल पार्ट्स इज 5. करेक्ट. फ्रॉम दैट 3 इज कलर्ड. तो हाउ मेनी इज नॉट कलर्ड? यस, हाउ मेनी आर नॉट कलर्ड? 2 आर नॉट कलर्ड. करेक्ट ना. तो 2/5 आर नॉट कलर्ड. ओके. Now in 3/5 what is the numerator? 3 will be the numerator, 5 will be the denominator. This is very much easy for you all to understand. Correct now students? Now see this strip. See the strip. How many lines are drawn? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it is divided into 7 parts. Totally 7 parts. Correct. From this how many how many parts are shaded? 2 parts are shaded. So how many parts is not shaded? How many parts are not shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? So 5 upon parts are not shaded. Yes, no students? Yes. Now 2 upon 7, what will be the numerator? 2 upon 7, numerator will be 2, denominator will be 7. Then unshaded part, that is 5 upon 7. Numerator will be 5, denominator will be 7. Understood, students? Now we will go to the next page.